Automatic production line of robot spot welding machine for car front floor. It integrates spot welding and nut projection welding. And the left and right car thresholds are produced online at the same time. It has high production efficiency and good welding effect. We are the source manufacturer of robot fully automatic nut spot welding machines, and can customize various automatic nut spot welding machines for you. Our automatic spot welding machines are widely used in automatic welding of various metal products such as auto parts, household appliances, kitchen utensils and bathrooms, aerospace and so on. If you also have products that need to be mass-produced, we will design automated welding solutions and proofing for you. These services are free. We have more than 20 years of experience in R&D, production and sales of automation equipment, and can provide you with the most cost-effective production plan and mature production equipment. Subscribe to our channel for more info.